Hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar, and in this video we are going to design a very simple mechanical part in SolidWorks 2022. Here is the version that I'm using, SolidWorks 2022. Maybe you are using another version, but all the versions are approximately same. So let's start designing. So first of all, we have to get a page on which we are going to design. So here we have three main options. This one is to open the file. This one is to go home. Here you see when you will click on this one, you will get this kind of interface. Here is are the previous projects, previous designs that I have made, and here are the three options. Now, when you cut this one and come here, a new, you will also get three options: part, assembly, and drawing. Drawing is basically used to make the blueprints. Assembly is for assembling two parts, and the part is to design a single part. Okay, so simply click on this part and make this one okay. Now, come down here. We need to select the icon. Sorry, not icon. Here we have to select the measurement on which we are going to work. So we have to select this one, and here are four options: IPS, MMGS, CGS, MKS. So we have to select this one, millimeter, gram, and second, because we are going to design in millimeter. It's a very simple part just for practice, because this is the first video on this channel. So I hope that you will understand, and if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please go and subscribe the channel, and also put on the comment that what you want to see in the next video. So we have three options here in the features option. Here is a sketch, but here is the feature. We have to start with the sketch, but first of all we have to select a plane. Here are three planes. We will select front plane because we are going to make a cylindrical part, okay, that you already have seen in the thumbnail. So simply click on plane. If you will not get something like this, then simply go and click on front, and here go in the sketch option. You will get option for sketch here in the right, uh, in the left corner. Okay, simply click on it here. Now here you see, now we have to select this one. Come here and select center line. Now you have to select center line. No need to give the measurement yet. Simply go here, come down like this, make a line like this, and now you have to make sure that both the points will be on the same line, exactly equal to each other, proportional to each other. If you will not get this one, then simply click here and click here and make, select this one, make horizontal. Okay, here you see these are the relations. Here relations are already selected, no need to do anything. Now we have to select the measurement. So simply go on smart dimension. First of all, let's make this one 5, because it's a cylinder, so it will automatically become 10. Now select this one 2. We need to make this one 2. Now here you see, also make this one 2, and it will automatically become 5. Now we have to get the measurement of this one. So come here, uh, wait a second, yeah, come here and make the measurement. Make this one 50, make this one okay, and select, simply scroll this one. This is happening because we have because we haven't given any dimension to this line and to this line. So let's give dimension to this line. Make this one 7. Let's make this one 7, and this one 7 too, and 7. Now here you see. Now no need to do anything. Simply make this one okay. Now go to feature. This time we need to select revolved boss base, because we need to make a cylindrical part. Here you see. Now, if accidentally you will did something like this, then how will you get the front face? So simply go on your keyboard and click on shift space bar. When you will click on space bar, then you will get this kind of interface. So you have to select this one. Now here you see. There is also another way. Come here, go to sketch and go normal to. Okay. Now, here you see how everything is done. Here you see fully defined. It's showing fully defined. Then it's completely done. Go to feature. All the 3D options are in this feature option. This sketch is just to make the drawings. For drafting purpose, this one is especially used for drafting purpose, and this one, this feature option is for 3D modeling. Okay, later on I will teach you everything that what we have to do and how we have to do this. how we can use all the options, and what is the use of all these options. So simply go on revolve was base, and here you see the sketch is currently open, so simply click on yes. This happened because it's already selected line 1. This one is the line 1. Okay, and make this an okay. Now here you see. Now let's give some chamfer. Now here you see a flat. Come down and select chamfer. Now here are two things. When you have to select on give a chamfer to only one part, then come here, come to this circle and click on this circle. Now here you will see fillet and chamfer option. Click on chamfer. Now here it will ask you for some dimensions. Simply make this one 0.1. Here you see it's showing this yellow part is the chamfer done. Okay. Now, if you want to do one everything on the same time, if you want to make chamfer on all this corner at the same time, then simply go here, chamfer, go to chamfer. Now here you see it will ask you to select options. So click this one, select this one too, come here, select this one and select this one too, and make this one okay. Now here you see. This option is mostly used for giving chamfer to all the corners, all the desired corner at the same time. But if you want to give chamfer to just a single part, then you have to click on here and it's done. Now here you see. Now let's give this corner some fillet. So simply go here, fillet. You can also directly come and click on this circle, but no. Click here. Here you see this yellow part shows the radius of fillet, but no, it's too big. Just make this one 2. Now here you see, here you can also make this one 1. The 1 is fine, and come here and here you see. Okay, now here let's make a groove here on this body. Okay, let's make 6 grooves here. So how? You can also say this groove as a pinhole section, but let's make a groove. Simply come here, select a plane. Make sure that this plane will. Sorry, today is Diwali and this happening here because the sound is coming from my background. So I'm sorry for that. Select front plane because we need to make a groove here, exactly in the middle of it. And how? Go to feature and sketch. Now here you see. Come here, make a center line. Come to center. Now here you see this is the center point. It's already showing you the center point. Simply make this one like this, and let's give some dimension to this one. This is a what called this is a center line. Okay, only a construction line. You can also call it as a construction line. Just give it some dimension and make this one 2. Okay, come here. Here you see there are 3 options. Okay, so we need to select 3-point arc. So simply select 3-point arc and make this something like this. Wait a second and connect this arc to here. Okay, now select this point and this point and make this one vertical. Now here you see. Now select this point and select let me check this point and make coincident. Now here you see this arc touches this point. Okay, we need to this select this one. Now here you see it's done. Go here and go to extruded cut because we need to make a cut here. We need to make a groove. Okay, but before that, what we need to do? Come to sketch normal. Now we need to close this one, otherwise it will not cut this part. We need to close this drawing. Every time when you have to cut some part out of a one part, then you have to make a complete drawing. Now here make this one okay. Now here you see this one is completely closed. So go to feature, go to extruded cut. Now here you see how it's showing. Now simply make this one 2 mm. Okay, and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now here this is the groove. Now what we need to do? We need 4 or 6 of it. Now how? Again, in feature section, here you see a linear pattern, and the linear pattern section you will see multiple options: variable pattern, fill pattern. We need to select circular pattern. Simply select circular pattern, and here in this section it will ask for feature and faces. So these are the feature. Here you see these are the feature. You have to select on this one. Select this one, this the internal part. Here this is the feature. Now here you see extruded cut. It already selected extruded cut. Now direction, we need to select the direction. We need to make this thing, 6 copies of this thing on this part. So select this one. Now here you see this is showing 5 because here you see it's 5. We need to select how much? 6. Okay, and make this one okay. Now here you see, can you see? Yeah. Now what we need to do? We need to do nothing. Our model is done. This is the first video, so this one is just for the demonstration. Now again, here you see in the right corner, you will see appearance section. Okay, so what is the use of this appearance? It will give you different materials. Let's call this one down here. Now here you see there are multiple materials. When you make one part, you must have to give the material, because in a machine, the machine part is made of some kind of material. So we need to select this one. Here are multiple options. So what we need to select? Let's select metal. Here you see in metal section there are chrome, aluminium, bronze. Simply select, come to aluminium. When you will click on aluminium, it will again give you multiple options. Here you see brushed aluminium, stain finish aluminium. So select brushed aluminium. Here you see, here you see chrome. Select chrome. Now here you see this is the chrome, and this is our part perspective. Now here you see this is the part that we have made. So this is the first video, and this first video we learned a very simple exercise in SolidWorks. So I hope you will like this chapter, this video. So don't forget what you have to do. And this is enough for today's video. So thanks for watching.